In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add documents, images, or any file from your computer directly to a Trello card so your team has everything they need in one place. First, open your web browser and head to the Trello website. Click Login at the top right. Enter your usual login details, or choose to sign in with your Google or Microsoft account if that's what you prefer. A quick tip here. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so uploads start and finish smoothly. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Trello home screen. Here, you'll see your boards. Click the board where you're working. Think of a board like a project hub. It organizes lists and cards for a single workflow or team. If you're juggling multiple boards, take a second to confirm you've opened the right one so your files end up in the correct place. Next, locate the specific card that needs the file. Cards represent individual tasks or items of work. Click the card to open its Details panel. This panel is where you keep everything related to that task together. Descriptions, checklists, comments, and of course attachments. Now, let's attach a file using the menu. On the right side of the card, look for the Add to Card section. Click Attachment. A small menu will appear. Choose Computer. Your file browser will open, letting you navigate to the file you want. Select the file and confirm. Trello will begin uploading right away. You might see a progress indicator depending on file size. Larger files can take a little longer, so give it a moment. If you prefer a faster, more visual option, you can also drag and drop. With the card open, find the file on your computer, click and hold it, and drag it directly onto the Trello card window. When you see the drop area highlight, let go. Trello will upload it automatically. If drag and drop doesn't seem to work, make sure the card is fully open in your browser and try again. When the upload is complete, you'll see the file listed in the card's activity area with its name and a thumbnail or icon. Click it to confirm it opens correctly. That's your sign. Everything worked. For smoother collaboration, try to keep file names clear and descriptive so teammates instantly know what they're opening. And that's it. Log in, open your board, choose the right card, and attach your file, either through the attachment button or by dragging and dropping. You're now ready to keep your Trello tasks organized with all the supporting files right where they belong.